So at the user level, so for Customer Portal users, you can turn on the ability to sort the rates that come back in a specific way. So previously, we had the ability to sort by, I think it was lowest cost, and this allows you to now sort by transit time. So you'll see the shortest transit at the top and then the longest transit time at the bottom. If for some reason a carrier doesn't provide a transit, that'll be at the bottom. And the reason it's important is because when you have, especially in LTL, there's a lot of carriers, and they have different transit times, and usually the ones that are shorter transit are probably a more reliable carrier, and it's stopping less along the route for the carrier. So that's going to cut down on damages, it's going to cut down on the possibility of loss, and your end customer is going to be happy because their freight gets there quicker. But they might not be the cheapest option. So allowing them to decide how they want it to show in the list will kind of push your customers to maybe pay a little extra and have better service versus just going with the cheapest, lowest cost carrier all the time that has like a 15-day transit time. We had 2 different filter functionalities, and we added transit time. So you can default it to sort by lowest cost for that user, but then now they have the ability to go in and filter based on transit time. And then vice versa, you can default it to sort by transit, and then that user can then decide to filter it by lowest cost. So it gives them like the ultimate flexibility for the end user, but you as the admin can set how you want them to see it as a default. It was a customer request. Again, it was kind of a heavy LTL one, which it's more common for LTL carriers to have different transit times, where truckload, it's usually just based on drive time or like mileage. And so I think this feature specifically will be used heavily with LTL Customer Portal users.